What's good, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with a banging video, a banging short video. So pay close attention. First thing, what you're going to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share the video with everyone, because this will help the channel grow and it will help you be first in line to make money online. You need to be making money online. Look at the world now. It's not because everyone is doing it, it's because you need to live your life. You need to be making money online so that you can start living your life while money is coming in. Now, this tool will help you do so. Okay? It's called SEMRUSH. Okay? If you've never heard of them, here's what they do. SEMRush is an online visibility management and content marketing software as a service SaaS platform. Today, we have helped 7 million marketers all over the world do their job more effectively and deliver superior results. So, back in 2008, SEMRush started as a small group of SEO and IT specialists united by one mission. Not to take over the world, but to actually make online competition fair and transparent, with equal opportunities for everyone. In 12 years, we've grown into one of the world's leading competitive research services for online marketing. And this is the number of tools they've produced. In 2008, just 2, and they've scaled their business up to 2020. They had 48 tools. So let's see what they have to offer for 2021. Today, our software helps companies of all sizes and industries to optimize their visibility across key channels and create engaging content for their users. Our data enables discovery of great growth opportunities, while workflow and tracking solutions help users run experiments continuously and more accurately measure results. Okay, they won the US Search Awards, UK Search Awards, European Search Awards, MENA Search Awards, Dutch Search Awards, and I want you to join them by using their tools to make your product, services, or company more visible. Okay, so they focus on SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC, which is pay-per-click, and social media marketing from just one platform. These are some of the largest companies they've worked with. Tesla, Apple, it was there, alright? They worked with Apple, they worked with Tesla, they worked with Nike, P&G, Decathlon, IBM, Walmart. Some of the biggest companies, Booking.com, Forbes, Vodafone, General Electric, Quora, Amazon. They are no small fry, and what they've done is they've leveled the playing field. And the same level of competitiveness that these major companies have displayed over the years, SEMRush is making that same competitive edge available to you and your business, your blog, your website, your company, your little dream that you're running out of your garage or your basement. They make you visible. So they focus on SEO, content marketing, okay? Create content that ranks, no expert knowledge required. Market research, unveil your competitors' marketing strategy and tactics so you get to see what the big boys are doing. And success leaves a trail. All you need to do is follow that trail to success. Advertising, paid advertising, discover how to reach more prospects while spending less. So find the best keywords for every PPC campaign, monitor your competitors' ad copies and landing pages, optimize your advertising spend, analyze Google Shopping ad campaigns. And lastly, they beef up your social media. Build your most effective social media strategy. Schedule and post content on social media. Analyze the performance of your posts. Track and analyze competitor accounts. Create and optimize social ads. And all of that is found in this one place. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and more, because they did mention Google ads and so forth. So guys, why wait? check out SEMRush. If you are in affiliate marketing, regular marketing, social media manager, marketing manager, business owner, CEO, COO, CFO, oh my word, you need to get this tool. Okay? Award-winning tools trusted by the world's leading companies. 7 million marketing professionals. You should be one of them. If they're making money from this, you should be making money online from it as well. 14 international awards as best SEO software suite, and 30% Fortune 500 companies use SEMrush as their go-to marketing tool. So out of 500, you're looking at 150 companies. Wow, that's impressive. So out of the top Fortune 500 companies, out of the top countries in the whatever world, Fortune 500, which are the top 500, 30% use SEMrush, and they have made the pricing competitive, and they have made it very simple and easy for you, the budding book writer who wants to promote her books, the really good mechanic who wants to be competitive with Facebook ads to get people into his fledgling company, his garage. So guys, check this out. It is simple and easy to use. Don't be dismayed by these technical words. It's like saying plumber. What's a plumber? A plumber is just someone who works with piping. Okay? So instead of saying ad spend, instead of saying how much money you spend on ads, they just shortened it to say ad spend. That's really what it is. Okay? So people are going to create terms which just sound techie and whatever, but it's simply, if you break it down and expand it, the meaning is really simple. So you'll hear names, you'll see words. If you're a beginner, you'll see words and you'll think, oh my goodness, how am I going to do this? They've made it simple. 7 million people are using it. I'm sure all these 7 million people aren't tech savvy. Okay? You want to make money online because you want to live a better life, learn these things. Yes, there is some learning involved, but it's not as challenging as it seems. Swimming, you had to learn. Feeding yourself, you had to learn. Showering, you had to learn how to do that properly. Brushing your teeth, you had to learn to do that properly. Everything we know how to do now, there was a period where we didn't know how to do it, and we would probably be embarrassed if people knew that we couldn't. That doesn't have to be the case here, right? Meaning you don't need to be embarrassed. You do need to learn. Okay? You want your dreams to materialize. You want to be competitive and be the best that you can be at a particular thing. You want to promote your business, whether it's a brick and mortar business or an online business. You need to get competitive. Check this out. I'm not telling you that you must use it. There are many people who figure things out themselves. However, life would be so much harder if the people before us didn't make notes and pass them down. Okay? If every day the entire world had to relearn how to do everything, then we would be a bit messed up. We would have to be starting from zero every single day. But people before us found what worked, wrote the formula, passed it down. People who took it from the person before, refined it, made it better, simpler, made it more applicable to our time, and made it easier for you to use. So you want to make money online, you want to grow your business offline, if it's a physical business, check out this tool. You will be pleasantly surprised, and they have a bunch of extra tools as well, and some tools that you should check out. They're contained in the links in the description below. These links take you to ways that you can actually build automated businesses online so that you can live your life while money comes in by itself. Sounds simple, sounds too good to be true. It actually is true. The information is free. However, if you do decide to opt in, there is a cost depending on which option you go with. But click the link, find out they're going to be sharing free videos with you. You might as well watch it just to hear what they have to say. Even if you don't opt in, at least you would have learned something new today. So thank you so much for watching. I do wish you all the best. I do wish that one day you grow, you come to the realization that there are simpler ways to do things. Okay? Make it be something online, because online it is very automated. However, I do invite you to, even if you don't watch anything or whatever, I do invite you to show some love and hit the subscribe button if you want to. Hit the notification bell if you want to. Like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone if you want to. But thank you so much for watching the video. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I encourage you to stay safe and pursue your passions and chase your dreams. One day you'll realize that you caught up with it and your dream became real. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.